Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am excited to share with you Vietnamese egg rolls, a refreshing and quick dish to subdue your cravings. Here's what you'll need. 4 carrots, 1 cabbage, 3 onions, 2 small packs of bean vermicelli noodles, 1½ cups of black fungus mushrooms, 1 pound of crab meat, 1½ pounds of ground pork, 1½ tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Begin by soaking the black fungus mushrooms in room temperature water for 30 minutes to an hour. Thoroughly rinse the black fungus mushrooms with water afterwards. Soak the bean vermicelli in room temperature water for 5 minutes. Use scissors to cut the soaked bean vermicelli and black fungus mushrooms into smaller pieces. Cut the cabbage and onions into thin strips. Grate the carrots to size. Then combine all the prepared ingredients into a large bowl, adding ground pork and crab meat. Mix thoroughly with salt, sugar, and black pepper. Chef's tip: spoon a small ball of the filling in microwave for about 30 seconds or until cooked through. Test it for taste. You can add additional sugar or salt if needed. To wrap, start by placing a wrapping sheet on a plate. Use a spoonful of the filling near the bottom and fold both sides. Roll upwards until the filling is firmly covered. Use egg whites as glue to hold the wrap in place. To fry. By the time the oil is heated, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully place egg rolls into the pot, frying until all sides are golden brown. Chef's tip: keep the heat medium to low to ensure the egg rolls are thoroughly cooked inside out. Use a strainer to scoop out the egg rolls. Use paper towels to soak up excess oil. This recipe makes approximately 125 rolls. Serve it hot. Enjoy your meal. Thank you and see you again soon. Remember to like and subscribe for more recipes coming your way.